To Destiny Etiko. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today matter na about Destiny Etiko for the new car, new Jeep wey she just buy for herself. Hey, my darling people, my correct people. Wanna join me congratulate her. Una know say Destiny Etiko na very beautiful woman. A beautiful woman wey get good heart. And a person wey be say I love well, like seriously. I truly love her because she too dey like, I don't want to put am now, like person wey dey hard working, and she dey really like, you dey really see wetin she dey use her money dey do. You understand? When she do her birthday, she buy na house. Let she dey celebrate herself. She buy house, dey celebrate herself. Now she don still buy another new Jeep again. Una remember the one wey she first buy before too. You know, I am so happy for her. I am so happy for her, like seriously. Congratulations, because they say if you happy for person, God go see do your own for you. Yeah, that's so it be. That's so God talk am. Congratulations to her. Mona join me congratulate her. Happy for people when they happy, so that God go see do your own for you. That's so it go. That's so it's supposed to be. You understand? But some people can't they change them. They don't go want celebrate for person. They don't go want happy for person. You understand? But celebrate for to person, so that God go say do your own for you. You understand? I am so happy for her. And a woman wey gets good heart. E get one small girl wey come dey suffer for street wey Destiny Etiko come. No, what did she do for that girl that day? The thing shocked me, oh my darling people. The thing shocked me when I see her. I say, yes, now so it's supposed to be. When we know the day, like say, so this one go dog get, it go the apple dog get. No, see this small girl that day. When I see that girl, I see this girl a star. Yeah. The way she talk that day, she was so happy to see Destiny Etiko. She said, I love you. I love you. I couldn't look the girl. I said, no, Destiny, you need to look for this girl. You need to look for this girl. They don't allow, bodyguard now, that they work out with bodyguard. They don't agree, make the girl greet her that day. But the way Destiny Etiko content, they say, make them look for the girl for her. I was so happy. I was so happy. I said, now mama bought this girl. And the many say now for poor home. See the kind English where they come out for that girl, man, that day. I said, no, Destiny, you need to help this girl. You need to help this girl. Because now this kind person we supposed to help. You will be saying you don't get already. As they see the girl, they say, no, this girl needs to act film with them. Now, so different people begin to sign up. Different people begin to sign up. Hi! Like the one when I see that, then way they sing. We want just let that talent go like that. No! We not go want to make that talent just go like that. No, yeah. It not go dey possible. We must see the Jazzy or Davido, one of them, they must bring that girl come out. Because that voice not feel just go like that. Person when they sing like that, you know? When I see that one that day too, I shocked her eyes. Like this girl, now God don't do you now. True Destiny. I am so happy for her. I am so happy. See her now, God, they bless Destiny, they go. God, they bless her, they go. See the new Jeep, my dad. Una need to see her, my darling people. Una need to see her more. This one, I'll be saying, ma, even buy this one for her now. Now she buy her for herself. Hi, I am so happy for her. I am so happy when I see him. The other girl, I go still put the video more and see him. In case if anybody get help, when you go feel help that our beautiful sister, wanna see help him. Wanna help her, so it's supposed to be. If we help ourselves like this, I believe say, our brother self go the limit for that Africa there. Yeah, because so many people get talent. So many people get talent. It's just that they know they see who they help them. You understand? That just be the thing. So, my darling people, my correct people, please, if you see this video, help me to share the video. Let the video go viral so that the whole world go hear am. So that maybe this girl fit get one help her now. So that she go see who go help am. You understand? So, my darling people, I go put the video now. Mona see am. Thank you. Bye.
We'll take our final story. It's a video of a 17-year-old girl with the most amazing vocals and goes by the name Sally. In this video, Sally, who appears to have had no vocal training, was prompted to sing along to a tune and delivered an amazing rendition, unrehearsed. Let's take a listen.
Your papa, they know say they do music.
How old are you?
17.
Now that girl, they talk that time.
Yeah, well, I'll be sure you have video.
What's your name?
Sally.
Ah. So if I play anything now, gone, now you will sing. Are you sure she will do
You can hop on any beat.
Are you shy? Are you sure? Man, not go be say, you go play. Now this girl where we, I know what now. Oh, hear you.
Lost,
Bruh.
like I wanna just be born again, be pampered like I'm whole again, need to be safe, I deserve that shit, I deserve that, I deserve more than life gives, if I'm not mistaken, I'm too sad to be faking, only if you know what it takes me, it's alright, I'll be fine, it's just a matter of time, I'm a star, so hard to find. How you better hide, I'ma blind your eye, I'ma lead your soul. Music has me on.
There's you.
Music got me going. Music is my therapy. My therapy. My therapy.
Yeah.
Do you have a manager?
You
Your
papa doesn't sing like this.
Your parents,
They have never
heard you sing.
Someone sign up Sally. I mean, look at that. That was so beautiful. She says music is her therapy. I was so moved when I watched this video, and I thought I should share it.
I'm glad you did.
Yes.
What a enormously talented young lady.
Yeah.
Only 17.
She's only
this is one of
17.
our diamonds in the rough.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. And she's so beautiful. Dr. Bate, a quick comment before we
Well,
wrap
I
up
mean,
the
this
show.
was making the rounds yesterday,
Yes.
and it was quite interesting to see this very talented young lady. Well, she was asked the question, does she have a manager?
Mm-hmm.
Apparently, she doesn't. So I would like to call on the likes of Don Jazzy.
Yes.
Jazzy, you have some work out here for you. If you can, if Don Jazzy gets the girl, she can turn her, into something. And there are others out there, big producers out there, who can assist her to groom her. That's what they do in other parts of the world. They discover talent.
Absolutely.
And I hope she gets someone to help out.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Ajay.
Well, that's all I have for you on What's Trending today. I'll see you next week.